Hey, Mark Rice here, and this is the easiest way to create a design for your first game. So let's start. Okay, so we will start with the ground. So first I will pick up the green color from my palette. And then I will create a rectangle, so hit M on the keyboard and draw the rectangle. Beautiful. Now select the shape, then hold Alt and Shift and move it here. So I just got the new shape, and I will do that again, but this time I will use Ctrl+D command. Now select the second shape and change the size a bit. Beautiful. Select all the shapes and go here into Pathfinder and use Unite tool. And as you can see, now I have one shape. Okay. Then go here and select Direct Selection tool. Then select these points and make these corners round. Okay, beautiful. And as you can see here, I have 1 point and 1 point here, and I need a shape from this point to this point. So first I will go here and use Snap to Point. Okay. Then hit M on the keyboard and draw the shape. Okay, I'm not sure for the second point, but I can do this. Okay. Then I will unite the shapes, and now I'm sure that I have the shape from one point to the second point. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so this will be the second part of the ground. Something like this, send to back. Now I will select these shapes, go here and use the white tool. Okay. And I will ungroup the shapes, delete this shape, and this shape. Okay, I can copy the shape with Ctrl+C and paste it in place with Ctrl+F. Create one shape from these shapes. Okay. And here. And as you can see, I created one more part for the ground. And this is the magic. Just select the shape, hold Alt, then Shift, move it here, and repeat the process with Ctrl+D command. And that's it. Now I just created the ground. Okay, beautiful. I will do the same with the background. So first I will create one big rectangle. Okay. Copy the shape. Repeat the process with Ctrl+D command. Change the size for the second shape. Okay. Use Unite tool. Then hit A on the keyboard, select the upper points and make these corners round. Okay, beautiful. Now as you can see, I created shape from this point to this point. Select these shapes, use the white, then ungroup, and select these shapes. Let me check. Okay, that's it. And here I can create one more part of the background. Okay, I like it. And if you want to create a small block here, you can use this part as well. So I will copy this shape, move it here for now. Okay, then I will copy it a few times with Ctrl+D command. Okay, then select A on the keyboard and make these corners round. Okay, something like this. You can change the size or not, whatever you want, but I have my object. Okay, beautiful. Or you can delete this part as well, something like this. I'll show you. Select the corners and make these corners round, something like this. So as you can see, you can play with the shapes. Okay, here I can create a few rounded rectangles. And at the end I will show you how you can create a character. Very simple, just hit M on the keyboard, hold shift and create the square. Okay, something like this. Make these corners round. Hit M again, I will create the front leg. Then I will copy the shape and use it for the back leg. Okay. Then hit L on the keyboard and create the first part of the eye. It will be white. Copy it. Change the size. Just hold Shift plus Alt and change the size. Okay. Group the shapes. Hold Alt. Move it here. Group the shapes again. Okay. Here I can create something like this. I will need one more circle, it will be orange. And one more rounded rectangle. But this time I will make this corner round and this one. So hold Shift, select the second one and pull it. Okay, group the shapes. Move it here. Send to back. And that's it. I hope that you liked the tutorial. If you like it, you can check out my 100 games project. It will be an amazing experience for you. And stay tuned, because the best is yet to come. Peace.